Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a neat little 3D effect on something. All I did was just take two ellipses and made a partition line so I can fill it in. I've already set my nudge factor bigger so I can nudge some colors out of the way. But we're only gonna do a few this time. Just get different colors. You could do this all the way around. It would work exactly the same. And a lot of times I will nudge as I'm going, but this way you can kind of look at your colors and see what your nudge is, or see what your colors are, what they're next to. And you could pick some really nice colors, go through the wheel, pick a couple of greens. And I'm gonna go a little bit more than halfway around. And like I said, I've already set my nudge factor, so we're gonna nudge this guy over. Maybe I'll put one more up top. And then I've already set my nudge factor, so I can just nudge these over. And all I'm doing is clicking on the color. Now we need to group these together, Control G, and get the extrude tool and start in there and kind of extrude them. You always probably want to go outward. And you want to kind of go maybe in the middle. Nope, that doesn't look right. And it doesn't really matter. It's going to look pretty cool no matter what you do. Then you can take the extrude rotation and play around with it. You got to be a little careful with it because you can really mess things up and make them kind of off kilter. Let's see how that's going to work. Go up to Object and break the extrude apart. And then what adds to it is putting a black line around it. And I didn't do very good on the rotation and make the line like 4 points so it kind of stands out. And it's not as nice as these, but let's back up here. I don't like that at all. So we've got the rotation set up. And one reason it doesn't look as nice because I didn't go as far. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Whenever you see a ghost like that, it's probably not even there. Well, it is there. I've got something left over, but don't worry about it. They're gone now. And then go to Object and break the extrude apart. Select it all. Right-click and outline. Make it a little bit thicker than a hairline. Make it like 4 points. And that's pretty cool. It actually looks like it's in three-dimensional curvature. And I've done the whole circle before, and it's equal as nice, so play around with it and try to do a whole circle. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.